When the restaurant waiter told the billionaire that the minimum order for the table was $2,000, he never thought he would be satisfied with a $20 burger. But that's just the beginning. The secret this man taught a female vendor changed the logic of the market. A billionaire and his wife went to an expensive restaurant and wanted to order a light and relatively inexpensive meal. But when they sat down, the waiter said, "Just for your information, because it's the weekend and the restaurant is busy, the minimum order per table is $2,000. The lady got carried away and got upset. But the billionaire calmly asked the waiter how much the burger cost. The waiter replied, $20. The billionaire said, "Then we'll order 100 burgers. The waiter was surprised and went back with the restaurant manager. The manager told the billionaire, "You can order whatever you like. We don't have a minimum order for your table." One day, the billionaire was walking through the city when he saw a woman selling clothes. He went up and asked, "How many t-shirts are there?" The woman said with a smile, "They are all new designs, $20 each. Shall I get you one?" The billionaire shook his head and said, "No, these t-shirts are too expensive. No one will buy them at this price. You should sell them for $1 each." The salesman he met said, "What do you know about business? The price is over. Each of these is $5 for me." The billionaire laughed and replied, "Don't worry, madam. I can make you sell your t-shirts for $1 each, and you won't lose anything. You'll also make a lot of profit." The salesman's anger gave way to curiosity. "Tell me what I should do." The billionaire started out saying, "You're selling t-shirts for $5 each, and you're selling them for $20, which is a $15 profit. But the problem is, the customer either buys one or none, and you get nothing. You have to put up a sign in front of the store and write this on it. The first t-shirt costs $20, the second $15, the third $10, and the fourth just $1. Many people buy 4 t-shirts at the same time." The salesperson said, "You might be right, but where's the profit?" The billionaire started counting. "The cost of 4 t-shirts would be $20 for you, right? But when you sell them together, you get a total of $46, which is a profit of $26. Don't you think that's better than the $15 profit you'll get later?" After hearing these words, the saleswoman thought for a moment and then said, "I've been selling clothes on the street for 3 years, and I had never thought about these things. How do you come up with these things?" The billionaire smiled and said that in many situations in life, just trying is not enough. It is important to understand how people think. The truth is that most opportunities and threats are hidden in the things that people do not talk about, and this skill is not taught by schools or companies. Having the skill to understand people gives you a huge advantage in business and personal life. If you want to be 1% better every day, follow us.